Experiencing trouble finding channels on your EETV box? You're not alone. This is a common issue that affects many users, but fortunately, there are systematic steps you can take to resolve it. Approximately 15 to 20% of EETV users encounter channel detection problems each year. These issues often occur during seasonal weather changes, major transmitter maintenance periods, software updates, or when new channels are launched. The most common causes include seasonal weather changes that affect signal reception, scheduled transmitter maintenance that temporarily disrupts broadcasts, software updates that may reset channel lists, and the launch of new channels that require a fresh scan. The first solution to try is an automatic retune. Here's the step-by-step process. First, access the Settings menu on your EETV box. Then navigate to Installation and select Automatic Tuning. Next, choose Scan for Channels or Auto Tune and wait for the process to complete, which usually takes 5 to 15 minutes. Finally, save the channel list when prompted and restart your box to finalize the changes. During the scanning process, you'll see a progress indicator showing the system searching for available channels across all frequencies. If automatic retune doesn't solve the problem, it's important to understand your signal reception method. There are 3 main types. Terrestrial Freeview uses rooftop or indoor antennas. Satellite requires proper dish alignment and clear line of sight, and Internet Protocol or IPTV streams channels via your broadband connection. Understanding your specific setup is crucial for effective troubleshooting. If automatic retune doesn't resolve the issue, the problem may be related to signal strength, antenna positioning, interference, or hardware malfunctions. These situations require more advanced diagnostic techniques, which we'll cover in the next section. When basic retuning doesn't resolve your channel detection issues, it's time to diagnose and optimize your signal. This systematic approach will help identify the root cause of your EETV problems. Begin by checking signal strength on multiple channels and comparing readings at different times of day. This helps identify weather-related variations and signal consistency issues. Next, inspect your antenna system for physical issues. Check cable connections for tightness and corrosion, examine cables for damage, and verify proper antenna alignment. Common antenna problems include corroded connections, especially in coastal areas, wind damage to antenna elements, and interference from modern electronics and mobile signals. In urban areas, interference is often the main culprit. Installing 4G or 5G filters can significantly improve signal quality by blocking unwanted mobile phone frequencies that interfere with TV signals. In rural areas, weak signal strength is typically the issue. A high-gain antenna or masthead amplifier can boost weak signals to usable levels, improving reception quality significantly. By systematically checking signal strength, inspecting physical connections, and addressing environment-specific issues, you can often pinpoint and resolve the cause of your EETV channel detection problems.